Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to install Turtle in Python via Code Tutorial Easy Guide. So we're going to show you how to install and use the Turtle graphics library in Python using Visual Studio Code. Turtle is a fun and easy way to introduce programming concepts and create graphical design. So let's get started. To begin, if you haven't installed VS Code yet, download it from here onto their official website, which is code.visualstudio.com. So there you should be able to see an option to download it for Windows or your own operating system. Just follow the installation instructions for that, and once installed, just launch Visual Studio Code onto your device. And right after, if you don't have Python installed yet onto your end, just go ahead and download it from here, their official website, which is python.org/downloads. So during installation, just make sure that you check the box that says add Python to path. So you'll just need to follow the setup instructions for that, and we're going to verify if it has been correctly installed here onto the terminal. So just open your VS Code and click onto the three dots onto the upper part, click on terminal, and click on the new terminal here. So we're going to go ahead and use or run this specific commands in here to view if Python and pip is already installed. So as you can see, we have Python version, which is 3.12.2, and pip version, which is 24. So pip would be automatically installed once you installed Python onto your system. Now it's time to set up your development environment. So to create a virtual environment, so you'll just need to go ahead and type this specific line onto your VS Code terminal. So as you can see, VNV, and this is the name of the environment which will be created. So I have created this one already. It should go ahead and create a folder automatically onto your folder that you've chosen here onto your Visual Studio Code. Now to activate that, just use this following line. And to see if it has been activated correctly, you should be able to see a green code in here with the name of your environment. Now, right after, it's time to install Turtle. So the Turtle module is included with Python standard library, so you don't need to install it separately if you're using Python 3. You can simply import it into your script. So you'll just need to create a new Python file in here. So to do that, click onto this one here. We're gonna name that one test underscore turtle.py. So it is really important to add in .py onto the bottom part of your code so that it should be identified as a Python file. So just go ahead and test this one out with my own sample code in here. So this one is just a turtle test, and then we're just gonna click onto save here or Control S, or here on files we have save. Click onto that, and we're gonna go ahead and run the script onto VS Code terminal. So this is how you run a Python file. Just go ahead and add in Python and then the file name for that. So if you see the screen in here, it should go ahead and display you that Turtle is working correctly. So you have successfully set up already and used Turtle graphics library in Python using Visual Studio Code. You can now start creating fun graphical programs and learn more about programming concepts with Turtle. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.